Welcome tech enthusiasts to our in-depth guide on boosting PoE IP camera reach. Today we will dive into the world of PoE extension and power tips to ensure your IP cameras cover the areas that you need without compromising on quality or reliability. We'll explore power consumption consideration, the need for high-powered PoE, and various methods to extend the reach of your PoE IP cameras effectively. And ready to tackle your tech challenges head-on? You can discover comprehensive solution and expert guidance on our website's dedicated tech support page. So visit our solution page now and unlock a world of technological possibilities. So in the realm of power over Ethernet technology, understanding its basics is essential. PoE operates by delivering both power and data over a single Ethernet cable, a critical component for powering IP cameras. However, it has inherent limitations, primarily regarding distance. Traditional PoE setup has a restricted range, typically up to 320 feet, that's about 100 meters from the power source. And beyond this distance, the power signal weakens, affecting the performance of connected devices. So addressing power consumption becomes pivotal, considering factors like resolution, frame rate, and additional features impacting energy need. Calculating power requirement for diverse scenarios is vital to ensure optimal camera performance. Moreover, the demand for high-power PoE devices is rising, especially in advanced IP camera systems. Yet, delivering high power over extended distances poses challenges. PoE extension come into play, overcoming these challenges and facilitating efficient power transmission. Keeping abreast with the latest standard and technology in high-power PoE is crucial for staying ahead in the field. So when it comes to extending the reach of PoE IP cameras, various methods exist, including the PoE extenders and long-range switches, leveraging all four twisted pair in a single Ethernet cables for simultaneous data and power transmission enhance this solution. So understanding this aspect comprehensively empower the effective deployment of PoE technology in IP camera systems. So now we're in front of the demonstration board, and we are going to connect to our high-power PDZ camera using this industrial 95 watts PoE extender and the 95 watts PoE injector. So let's do the connection together. We have the monitor to display the video footage. This is a router to provide the main network data. I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect the router to our network video recorder, where we manage and store video footage. It is already connected to a monitor. Next, I'm going to use an Ethernet cable to connect the router and provide data to our 95 watts high-power PoE injector. As you can see, this is the data input port. I'm going to plug it in here. This is a special mounting tool, allows you to mount the injector on a DIN rail flexibly. Next, I'm going to use the Ethernet cable to plug into the PoE output port. This is a 100 meters Ethernet cable. So let's mount it on a DIN rail. Coming over here, 100 meters, we have the PoE extender. This is the PoE input port, so I'm going to plug it in here. As you can see, I did not close the cap and the gland for easy installation, but make sure you use a wrench to fasten the neck and the gland. This is the PoE output port. It has two available. Today we're just using one of them. And adding another 100 meters Ethernet cable, now we have 200 meters in total. And plug in the Ethernet cable to our PDZ camera. Now the camera is getting both power and data at the same time. And it should display video footage on our monitor pretty soon. I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. So the whole connection is done now. So optimizing the PoE extension solution is the key for seamless operation. Ensure high-quality cables to minimum signal loss and ensures efficient power transmission. Also pay attention to voltage consideration, aligning the voltage of PoE devices for compatibility. Proper grounding is important too, preventing electrical issues and ensuring a stable connection. To optimize power consumption for PoE IP cameras, you should select energy-efficient camera to tailor to your specific need and adjust camera setting. For instance, lowering the resolution or frame rate when high detail isn't crucial can significantly conserve power. And regularly check and maintain cameras, ensuring they operate at peak efficiency, and also consider motion-activated recording to save power. Thoughtful choices and adjustment play a significant role in maximizing the power efficiency of PoE IP cameras. And in a PoE installation, a few crucial steps can make a world of differences. First, ensure proper waterproofing by using a wrench to securely fasten the neck and the clamp connection, just like I said before. And this step safeguards your equipment from the element, ensuring longevity and uninterrupted service. Equally important is the choice of Ethernet cable. Opt for high-quality, durable cable to guarantee efficient data transmission and power delivery. Investing in superior cable minimizes signal interference and enhances the overall performance of your PoE network, like Cat5e or Cat6 cable. Additionally, never overlook the significance of proper grounding. Establish a robust grounding system to protect your devices from electrical surge and fluctuations. So in conclusion, understanding the PoE and its various applications from basic setup to high power requirement is vital for efficient and effective IP camera system. By implementing PoE extension method wisely and optimizing power consumption, users can overcome challenges, enhance reliability, and extend the reach of their civilian network. And now we invite you to stay updated with our latest insight, tutorial, and solution by liking and subscribing our channel, FASTCABLING. And join our community today and empower your knowledge for a smarter and more efficient approach to IP camera system. And thank you very much for your support. And I'll see you in the next video.